After I install IDE Eclipse, I configure Eclipse for Java, Windows, preference, this, select on Java installer, this one. Hello, to run Java I choose IDE Eclipse, install and configure Eclipse on Windows. Okay, I paste the proof on ChatGPT. Okay, this is the requirement. It means you need to install Oracle Java JDK. Before install, you need to install Java development kits. Okay, I click this one. I recommend Java 21 LTS or no. Okay, Java SDK. At the previous video we have installed the JDK 26. Okay, now I to download the Eclipse to install the Eclipse IDE. I click on this link. This link to download Java IDE Eclipse. Okay, click this one. You need to see this one .exe downloads. Okay, this one need to sponsor Eclipse community, and it auto downloads this file. Okay, I paste on the save on the desktop and then wait until it finishes. Okay, it's download finished. I open this file. When I open this, it need me to select, and I chose the Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Okay, start, create shortcut, install, accept. Now we wait thing. Okay, after I cancel the installation, I install it again. Okay, I chose the IDE for Java developer. Okay, I change the installation folder. Okay, this is the Eclipse. Okay, this one. I create the folder. The folder I use the Eclipse. Start. Okay, I click install. Now it finished. I launch it. Okay, this one we create the directory as the workspace, so I choose the ID. Okay, Eclipse workspace. I create the folder. Okay, Eclipse workspace. I click the new folder I created, lines. Okay, this one is mistake, so I choose include Eclipse IDE. Proceed. After I install IDE Eclipse, I configure Eclipse for Java, Windows, preference, this, select on Java installer, this one. Okay, this one makes sure your JDK is selected, so I choose this one. Okay, I apply and close it. Make sure you Java. If you not, you click standard. If not, choose the standard VVM. No. Okay, create the workspace. For the next video, we need to create the projects to Hello World in Java. Bye bye.